everyone, so finally getting around to doing the piece that Brittany Gunter sent me. So I have the box, we just gotta open it, see what's inside, and then we'll turn around and do our collab. Alright Brittany, so this thing was more well protected and wrapped than the Mona Lisa. I just gotta say that. We went from a box that was this big, and then as I kept unwrapping and unwrapping and unwrapping and unwrapping. Okay, so here we are. The one thing that jumps out at me right off the bat is this shape right here. And I'm getting this whole like Wonder Woman power stance kind of vibe from it, and I'm absolutely loving it. And looking at the primary colors, the first artist that comes to mind would be Lichtenstein, whatever. So I grabbed some colors that I wanted to definitely incorporate in, and I noticed in one of the Scrawlrbox boxes that I didn't get to film yet, they had pens, paint pens. So I want to swatch out what this gold looks like, because it could be an option. I want to see how well this Pilot white works. They have this pretty green, but we're not going to be using it. But I definitely want to try the black. And then the chrome. So the main colors that we will be incorporating onto this, of course, yellow. Then I want to incorporate white. See which one works best for this. We'll play around with those are blacks, which I have mainly the PBO and then hopefully a Pilot. I don't think I'm going to use this Office Mate. And then I pulled out this Metallics from Winsor & Newton, but I also want to try the Pilot's Gold, and the main one that I thought of was the liquid chrome. The whole idea for this piece is to stick with that classic comic style. So that's kind of what we will be going for. I'm just going to throw this into a time-lapse and get working on her. And as I go along, then I'll look at other areas that we can actually incorporate, maybe a buildings or some trees or something. So she's not just off randomly on the left. We have to add a little something on the right, but yeah, let's get started. so keep looking at it, and I have no idea what to add to the set because I don't want to detract from Brittany's pour. So I think I'm actually just gonna leave it like this. I'm really liking the balance actually, and it has this fun like explosion kind of motion going on. It's almost like lightning, a little bit of fire, you know. And I wanted to go with the classic Wonder Woman, except for this is keeping that same paint board chaos that's going on, so I left that, but changed a few of the colors around because I wanted to add that chrome. But yeah, actually, I think I like it simple. I think I like it with just Wonder Woman on here. Let me know what you think, Brittany. Let me do a close-up. There we go. So yeah, it's just a classic Wonder Woman, like 1960s, 1970s style Wonder Woman. Because it's, I don't know, it felt like it. It felt like the Lichtenstein paintings, which were the 1960s, 1970s comic vibe, and the colors, the primary colors just screamed Wonder Woman to me, especially the shape. As you guys saw at the beginning, the shape that was going on here just had that kind of power stance, and I decided to go with that. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I have a pile of stuff to catch up on and videos to do, so stay tuned for all of those. If you're new, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you guys like this kind of stuff, want to see more, want to support more, there's links below from anything from my Instagram to my PayPal, and buying the art from Etsy and Redbubble. It all helps fund and support and come out with new and fun, exciting paintings for you guys. But until next time, I will see you guys later, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye!